Welcome to the hospital reception. What do we start with?
Hello, friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House. Nice weekend. Today, I'm going to make a Hello Kitty hospital with bunk beds. If you love it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Complete the house frame from cardboard and color paper. Pink everywhere. Have you ever seen hospital bunk beds? Strange thing, right? But I think a little fun at the hospital is in order, so let's make one. Bed body. Ta-da! Head and foot of bed. The bed needs a mattress. A bowl-shaped pillow would be adorable. I will make it from pink modeling clay. So cute! I made medical records from foam and paper. Please write something. Red heart. Boil up. Bed railing. Assemble the second floor of the bed. What am I doing? Blood bags are ready to serve. Pink ladder. The rainbow bar is a standout highlight. Always be happy. Fun hospital bunk bed completed. I love it so much. Oh, there's an emergency. Hello, Lady Watermelon. Dr. Lisa is here. Don't worry anymore. Take deep breaths and relax your body. Let me check your belly. Oh, the babies are coming. The surgery needs to be quick and safe. Welcome, little creatures. The baby is finally born. 1, 2, and 3 chilly baby. Clean and hygienic. Lady Watermelon, I will complete the C-section. Oh, no! She lost too much blood? Faster. You are safe. A baby looks uncomfortable. I will check for you.
Oh, no!
The baby has acne on his butt. Let's deal with them. Everything seems to be okay.
Thank you, Dr. Lisa.
Continue to complete this mini hospital. Wow! This is the baby care crib. Medical cart. Let's make a newborn baby care set for it. Milk bottle. Dummy. Hand sanitizer solution. Wiper. The baby has arrived. There. The special baby care area is completed. I'm going to make a big Hello Kitty medicine cabinet out of foam board. Wrap in colored paper. At cabinet doors. Eye. Nose. Beard. Red bow. So cute. Have you ever had to see a dentist? I'm getting a set of dentures. Dental care tools set. Medical cotton and pliers. Blood pressure measuring instrument. Emergency first aid box. Wall painting. I will guide you to make a wheelchair from clay. Chair body. Footrest. Handrails and wheels. Push handle. Make big wheels. Install it. Wheelchair completed. Fill the drawers. Everything looks fine. Doctors need an office. Shelf. Add potions. Mini medicine cabinet. I made a table and chair set for doctors. The swivel chair will be made from cardboard and towels. The chair legs are made from straws and the wheels are made from beads. Woohoo! Perfect! Desk. Laptop. Medical record.
Wow!
Assemble the door to the house frame. Window. Hot.
Wow!
Hello Kitty Minnie Hospital completed. Let's take a look around. Which room do you like the most?
Hello, I'm
I help you? The baby is sleeping. Please keep quiet. Everything's fine. The ambulance is so cute. I like bunk beds.